Today we're going to teach you how to make handmade burgers.
Alright, to start these handmade burgers, the first thing we're going to do is add about a tablespoon of salt. This is 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So these proportions are for 1.5 pounds. We're going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 eggs for this amount and crack 2 eggs in there. We're then going to add some onion. This is a whole onion. I'm actually going to add just 2/3 of an onion. And then this is about 8 large cloves of garlic, and I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to use about 3/4 of that. Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to take one bun of bread. I'm going to take out the inside of it and soak it in water. And what this is going to do is it's going to help the meat to stick together, because with all the stuff we've added into the meat, the onions and the garlic, it's going to have a tendency to fall apart. So what this bread will do is help it kind of give it a consistency where it sticks together. Once that's soaked, you can take it out, let some of the water out of it, and add it to the meat. And then what we're going to do is just mix it. Now, as an alternative, you can use beer instead of water, and that adds some extra flavor to it. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start mixing this up. And you can do this either with your hands, or you can use a spoon or a spatula, like I'm using. And you want to make sure you mix it really well so that the spices and everything gets distributed evenly, and the consistency is good. The shout out for this video goes to my brother-in-law Olaf, who's a master of this recipe, and he taught me this recipe, which he brought over here from Germany. So this is an excellent food to have with good German beer. Now as you continue to mix it, you'll see that it's going to start sticking together pretty well, because that bread and the eggs really doing their job. So we got the grill ready to go. It's pretty hot. It's actually very hot, and the coals are spread out evenly to give us a surface, because the burgers take up a lot of surface area. What I like to do is just take a handful like that and kind of press it down like that. And remember that when these cook, they tend to shrink quite a bit. So you want to make them a little wider than you normally would, because they're going to get a lot smaller. And then you just put them down, and we're going to cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes on the first side before flipping. Again, it's important not to mess with it while it's on the grill for at least the first 5, 6, 7 minutes, because it'll fall apart if you move it, and the meat will tear. And the last one here is a little small, because it can't be perfect. We'll give it to a kid. Alright, it's been 6 minutes, so now we're going to flip. And you want to start off kind of carefully. From this side. side. Actually, that one, you can feel that it's not ready yet, because when you go under it, it's still stuck to the grill, so we're gonna leave it be. This one's ready. Now, it depends how you like your meat, but I like my meat a little rare, so I actually like these to be a little tender on the inside. I don't overcook them. We're gonna give this one's not ready yet, so I'm not gonna mess with it. This one just, a little piece just came off, so you have to be careful with that. So here it goes. Now, on the second side, we're only gonna cook them for about 4 minutes. All right, it's been about another 4 minutes, and these are ready, I think, to come off. You can feel when they're ready because they're not sticking to the grill. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's perfect.